Google reviews are the mentions and descriptions about your company made by users through Google. These facilitate because the organic positioning. That is, it is a factor that Google considers when positioning it among the first results, especially in Google Maps. Similarly, if a potential customer is considering hiring a service with your company or purchasing a product, the reviews you have will be decisive. Positive reviews will encourage them to choose you over the competition. It is important not to write false reviews. Google will find out sooner or later, and this will be detrimental to your CEO. Here are some ways to get reviews. First, encourage your satisfied customer to give their opinion about the company. The success of your business depends on your customers, and who better than them to recommend your services or products. Second, encourage your employees, suppliers, or collaborators to give their opinion about the company. Not only customers make the difference, but employees do also too. Customers consider the working conditions of a company and the happiness of its workers before hiring its services. Third, encourage people to review through social networks. These platforms have become a direct window to your customers. Characterized by immediacy and direct communication, platforms such as Facebook or Twitter can help you communicate with users. Fourth, offer in return discount codes on the next service or purchase. This way you will be getting two benefits at the same time, a review and the possibility of a second purchase. Don't forget that the best form of communications is voice-to-voice. The safest thing is that a customer who has received a discount code will take about it, encouraging an increase in customers. Fifth, schedule an annual sweepstakes among those who have written a review. It is a good way to motivate your customers. This way you will be sure to get many reviews and, in addition, most likely they will all be positive.